You searched how to buy shares of Patterson-UTI Energy Inc. Patterson-UTI Energy Inc. is an oilfield services company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker PTEN. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy PTEN, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID, and add funds before you can buy. On eToro, use the platform search bar and enter the ticker PTEN. Select the result that matches Patterson-UTI Energy Inc. to ensure you found the correct stock. Open the asset page to view company details and a price chart for context. Confirm the listing name Patterson-UTI Energy Inc. and the PTEN ticker to be sure it is the right asset. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the trade on eToro. If the market is closed, the order may queue as pending, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will request you add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your eToro portfolio once the trade executes. Check the link in the description if you want to follow the same steps.